At home repairs you can try. Saving money is not the only factor to consider when taking a home improvement project. Know when it pay to call a professional. When it comes to maintenance and repairs, professionals' labors can often be one of the more costly part of a homeowner's budget. While many people will opt to save some cash by doing much of the handwork themselves, not everyone possesses the skill necessary to fix their own homes. Even with the help of instructional online videos, attempting a dye project without careful preparation and a complete knowledge of the steps at hand could actually irration expansion that far expect the cost of a contractor. Even if you have the experience and know how, it is important to consider the time, maintenance, tools, and permits required for your home improvement project. So, how do you know which project you can tax yourself and which you should leave to the experts? We cut a few professionals to find out. Painting the external of your home. Painting the external of a house is a big job. Most homes require all of the trim spots and rake boards, and depending on the type of home, all of the ceilings as well. This required extensive use of ladders at high levels and some things climbing up on the roof. Homeowner need to consider safety requirement before taking an external job. 5-star painting recommend hiring a professional with experience and the correct requirement. Removing popcorn ceilings. Removing popcorn ceilings is gaining is popularly larry, but it's an extremely messy job. First, the popcorns must be spread and softened by a softening agent. Then all of the surface area must be scraped with a blade. While scraping, it is impossible not to create drive and holes on the surface. Those drives and holes need repair with concrete that will need to dry and then we standard smooth. Finally, everything needs to be primed and then primed with true cost of paint. The work the work is over. It is over and required labors. For a job like this, hire a professional and save yourself the headache and probably in less than discount results. Knox recommends a cloth garbage disposal. A cloth disposal may be closed by using a small specially oasis that fits into a hexagonal opening on the underside of the disposal while the disposal is turned off. You may want to call a professional if this method does not clear the spot. Suggest Globan. Replacing a Proucat, a central type faucet is a good dry job. Just follow the faucet manufacturer's instruction. A more complete shot with spread type of packs with virus host connection of the underside. However, would be best handled by a professional, recommends Globan. Fixing a leaky kitchen or bathroom pipe. A dye fix for a drain pipe may be simply it might slip not near the pipe type if the leak and directly from a hole in the drain pipe. A dye fix would be a fixable cooling with hose clamps. If the leak is from drain, installing a light fixtures. Electrical repairs and installation are at best expensive, and taking a little time to research and understand your electrical system can give you the necessary skill to take on some electrical project yourself. When installing a light fixture, low voltage project can be safety professionals by a homeowner as they are less likely to cause structure or buildings harms. With that safe, if you don't feel confident in your skill, or if your project's over 50 volts, it is best to call in a professionals.